Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change equalizer preset for your earbuds SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. You have to start by open SHOKZ application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu, and right here we have Equalizer Modes. So we have 4 presets what SHOKZ offer for us: the vocal bass boost and treble boost. I create the fifth one, the custom one, so you can also create it by clicking the customize, and right here you can make something, call it, and then create it. So now select the best one for you. Let's say I want a treble boost, so I click on this line, and that's it, we just change it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!